To transfer USDC from Robinhood to Coinbase, start by opening the Robinhood app and selecting the cryptocurrency option from the bottom of the screen. Scroll down to view all the cryptocurrencies in your account, and then select USDC. If you can't find it, use the search icon at the top of the screen to search for USDC. Once you've selected USDC, scroll down and click on the Send button. Enter the amount you want to transfer and click Continue. On the next screen, click on the Enter Manually button at the bottom. You'll then need to enter the wallet address from Coinbase. So open the Coinbase app and search for USDC. Select it from the search results. Scroll down and click on Receive. This will give you the wallet address for USDC. Click the Copy button next to the wallet address. Then go back to the Robinhood app and paste it in. Click Review and confirm the details, including the wallet address and network, to ensure they match in both the Robinhood and Coinbase apps. Finally, click the Transfer button to complete the transfer of USDC from Robinhood to Coinbase.